I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your carrier allows switching from eSIM to a physical SIM and why that matters. Carriers provision different identifiers. Once done, get your account PIN, device IMEI, and request the correct SIM size. You should ask the carrier for the ICSID or activation code now, because that speeds provisioning. Make sure to back up contacts and note the eSIM profile name in your phone settings. This prevents accidental loss and gives you an easy fallback if activation fails. You'll insert the SIM and then provision it with your carrier, so do those steps in that order. Once the SIM is physically in place, give the carrier the ICSID or activation code through their app, portal, or tech support. They'll link it to your number and IMEI. Wait for the carrier to confirm provisioning on your device. Don't erase or disable the eSIM until the physical SIM report's activated. Doing so too early can drop your number and complicate recovery. You finish by verifying service. Place a call, send an SMS, and load a web page to confirm data. If data or calls fail, check APN and VO LTE settings, then toggle airplane mode and restart the phone. Once everything works, decide if you want to remove the eSIM profile or keep it as an emergency backup. There's no technical need to delete it immediately. If activation still fails, contact carrier support with ICSID and IMEI for provisioning recheck. This single step resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.